Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Layali Lubnan, which is a popular Middle Eastern dessert. I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. First, you're going to need 1 cup of smeed na'am, which is also known as semolina, and then you're going to need half a cup of sugar, 5 cups of whole milk. You need 2 cans of kashta, which is the puck cream. I like this brand better than others because it's a little bit thicker. And then you're going to need a 1/4 cup of crushed pistachios. You also need 1 tablespoon of orange blossom water. And for the syrup, you're going to need 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1.5 tablespoons of orange blossom water. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first step is to pour the 5 cups of milk into a pot and bring that to a boil. So once the milk comes to a boil, you're just going to go ahead and add the 1 cup of smeed na'am and the half cup of sugar. And then you're just going to mix it together for a few minutes until it becomes a thick consistency, and I'll show you when it gets to that point. After mixing together for a few minutes, you're going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of orange blossom water, and you're going to mix that in very well and mix it for another minute. This is the consistency you want it to be at once it's mixed, and now I'm going to go ahead and pour it into a 10 by 13 Pyrex dish. This is what it looks like after placing it in a 10 by 13 Pyrex pan, and now I'm going to go ahead and put it in the fridge for an hour to cool down. So this is what it looks like after being in the fridge for an hour, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the 2 cans of puck cream. So I've had the 2 cans of puck cream in the fridge overnight. You can just put them in the fridge for a couple hours just so they can get a little bit thicker before you add it to the smeed. So you're just going to go ahead and spread it all over, and then we're going to sprinkle with pistachio, and then we're going to place it in the fridge for another 2 hours to get a little thicker. Okay, so after adding the pistachios, now you're just going to go ahead and place it in the fridge for 2 hours. Now I'm going to go ahead and make the syrup. Now when we pour the syrup onto the Layali Lubnan, you want them both to be cold. So you're going to do 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water and bring that to a boil until it gets a little bit thick. So it's been boiling for a few minutes, and now I'm going to go ahead and add 1.5 tablespoons of the orange blossom water, and you're just going to mix it in and let it boil together for another few minutes. And this is the consistency you want it to be at, and now you're just going to go ahead and set it aside to cool down. Okay, so it's been in the fridge for 2 hours, and now I'm going to go ahead and cut into it. After placing the Layali Lubnan on a platter, you're just going to go ahead and drizzle with some syrup, and now it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.